Hello everyone, welcome to Amateur Decorating Like a Pro. I am Catherine. Are you ready for another DIY? I am. Let's go ahead and go to work.
I am so excited about the sponsor of portions of this video. You guys know I include fresh flowers in my budget for groceries. But here it is. Rose Forever is a freshly launched company based in New York. They specialize in handcrafted rose arrangements that can last for at least 1 year. The roses are 100% natural flowers and are protected in a lustrous black velvet French hat box. Now, I have received the square. This is the large square box. It contains 36 beautiful white roses. I love this. And look how perfect it is on my small coffee table. I am elated to have this. And I'm looking at it from all angles of the room, and it gets prettier and prettier and prettier. And I don't have to change any water. I don't have to worry about the sunlight coming in since we had our doors and windows tinted. This is amazing. And this is exactly what I needed in this space. Show love and appreciation for someone in your life by giving them a box of beautiful roses, birthdays, anniversaries, and don't forget about your beautiful holiday tablescapes. Click the link to Rose Forever in the description box below. The inspiration for my fall mantle comes from a set of melamine dishes that I purchased from Sam's Club. And I thought the colors were so vibrant, they did remind me of the dishes that I've seen on YouTube from Dollar Tree. And whenever I go to my Dollar Tree, they're not there. But nevertheless, I got lucky at Sam's Club. And I know that I love the begonias, and I did have three of them, only three of them that I'd already chopped up from a previous arrangement. And pumpkins I had in a large container, and I also had lots of faux greenery because I did get rid of a lot of the silks a long time ago. But I knew that I could pull this off. I knew I didn't want to remove the large ginger jars from the mantle, so I wanted to just work around those. So taking all of the faux plants and just scattering them around, but yet having some variety in the color that looked a lot like the plate was so important. So the white ginger jars were really going to fit in. And I actually added that copper stripe to that gold pumpkin that I purchased from Hobby Lobby last year. I purchased these navy velvet pumpkins from Michael's. I think they were 2 for $20 during the summer. Now, some things are going to need a little height, and so I'll use tea light candle holders, and I'll be honest, I have used a coffee cup or two just to give that nice layered effect. Besides, you're not going to see it, it's going to be covered up. While my pumpkin was drying and I wanted to kind of space things out on the mantle, I had a substitute. So this is now dry and I'm going to put it in place and we can take a look to see if I have enough clippings of things around the pumpkin to give it that fullness. Again, I keep reflecting back to the plate and how beautiful it was with the connection of all of the colors. It's a great idea to use every part of your faux plants to make your decor pop. Okay, so as I'm looking at it, it's getting late. This looks good. I love the fullness there, but when I look at that white pumpkin and I'm holding up the plate, it looks as if the pumpkin is one of the ginger jars. So that's when I decided the next day to go back in the attic and pull out some additional faux greenery. And you see the difference that it made from before? That large white pumpkin was so subdued and it needed the addition of those large green picks coming out of the back of it and underneath it on the front to give it that wow factor. And now it just takes the center stage. And there you have it. I love it. Loving how the roses flow into the mantle and everything looks so light and happy for the fall season. Remember to check out my previous two videos, the white lamps makeover and the customized lamp transformation. I hope you'll follow along on that journey. I think I've come up with 2 more DIYs for lamps, and I know we're gearing up to get things ready for the holidays. Turn on your notifications once again, ringing the bell, and remember to like and share my videos. I really need your help on that. Thanks a lot for watching, and as always, stay in prayer and stay creative.